Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore how to automate your Blogger website using Python and the Groq API. If you've ever wanted to save time creating posts or generate SEO-friendly content automatically, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from setting up your Python script to posting directly on Blogger, plus some tips to make the process smoother. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the power of automating Blogger. Manually writing and publishing posts can be time-consuming, especially if you want to maintain consistency. By combining Python with the Groq API, you can generate blog posts automatically, complete with titles, SEO-friendly meta descriptions, and even relevant images. Essentially, you're using Python to instruct the AI to create content just like a professional blogger. This saves time, boosts productivity, and ensures your blog stays fresh with high-quality posts. Now let's look at how this automation works in practice. The script starts by connecting to your Blogger account using Google's API credentials. Then, Python sends a request to the Groq API with a prompt describing the blog topic. The AI returns fully formatted HTML content, including headings, bullet points, images, and FAQs. Next, the script saves a backup locally and automatically publishes the post on your Blogger website. You can even generate multiple posts in one go. This workflow is perfect for tech blogs, educational content, or any site where consistency and SEO are important. The best part is, once it's set up, you can create professional blog content without writing a single line manually. While this automation is powerful, there are a few important tips to keep in mind. First, always review the AI-generated content before publishing to ensure it aligns with your style and is factually correct. Second, make sure your API keys and credentials are secure to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, experiment with prompts and content length to optimize SEO performance. Automation doesn't mean skipping quality. It's about making the process faster and more efficient. By following these best practices, you can maximize productivity and keep your blog consistently updated. To wrap up, automating Blogger using Python and the Groq API is a game-changer for bloggers who want to save time and maintain consistent, high-quality content. With the right setup, you can generate posts, add images, and publish directly with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. And leave a comment if you try this workflow or have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.